Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we are looking at the JBL Encore Essential on battery. We're going to do a quick sound test, but that's all today. I know the lights are tripping out the camera a little, but I couldn't fix that, so you're just going to have to cope with it for this video. Anyway, let's get on with it. Okay, so starting off, we will start at 25%, and this song is Bittersweet by NCS. Also, just one note, you do get a little bit more deeper bass if you go further back in the room, and as the mic is quite close to the speaker, you can't hear some of the deep bass. And it also might be my mic also can't record the deep bass, but if you do go further back in the room, you do get a little bit more of bass extension. You can hear some of those lower notes. So I thought I'd just put that out there. Okay, here we go.
Bittersweet and I'm walking slow, sensitive, feel the afterglow, looking for things that I can't control, fear from my past cause it always shows. Do I wanna try, can I let it go? Running from the past, wanting to be sure. Chaos in my mind, constant deja vu, but every time it comes back to you. Whoa, I'm still falling. Whoa, but it tastes bittersweet. Whoa, I keep on falling. Whoa, I like the taste of it. Fading day by day, I'm reaching out for someone who can take away the pain I feel, the things I haven't done at all. I've lost my way, but how I felt I can't recall. Do I wanna try, can I let it go? Running from the past, wanting to be sure. Chaos in my mind, constant deja vu, but every time it comes back to you. Whoa, I'm still falling, whoa, but it tastes bittersweet, whoa, I keep on falling, whoa, I like the taste of it, whoa, I'm still falling, whoa, but it tastes bittersweet, whoa, I keep on falling, whoa, I like the taste of it.
Okay, so I increased it to 30% volume at the end there. Okay, so now we're going to play another song. It's Sax Beat by Infraction Music. And I've also changed music software, so I've gone from Amazon Music to YouTube Music because they didn't have this song on there. But yeah, I think it's louder on YouTube Music, so that's why it might be a little louder. But anyway, here it is. 30% volume. Okay, so now we're going to do Hislerim, I think it's called, by Serhat Durmus, or whatever. But yeah, we're going to do that now. It's a bit of a bass test song, I guess, so yeah, we're going to do that. I'm also going to show you the different light modes there are on here, so let's hit it.
Sanki her şey kayboldu, çok derin hislerim. Omzum yükle doldu ama bende vazgeçmek yoktu. Bitmedi, bitmedi, bitirmedim. Ben özel değilim ya da öyle bir şey ama sen varken hep böyle hissettim, böyle hissettim. Yanan her şey görünmüyor olmalı, bunu sen de hatırlarsın da artık böyle hissettim. Yanan her şey görünmüyor olmalı, bunu sen de hatırlarsın da artık artık çok geç.
Phew, it's quite a lot of bass to it, I must say. Okay, and one more, and this is Tonight by Sun Chaser. Okay, I think I'm going to have to turn it off. The door is rattling and it is quite loud in here. Even at 40% on battery, it is very loud and bassy. My door is shaking, so this is a pretty small room, but still, the bass on this is quite strong. So yeah, that was the sound test. That was all. All songs were on bass boost mode 1, by the way. I didn't say that at the beginning of the video. I should have, but I didn't. But anyway, yeah, they were all on bass boost 1, as I don't like bass boost 2, and off is not quite bassy enough for me, but some people like bass boost off more. But bass boost 2 is just not good. It's just upper bass. But yeah, and also I will be doing another video, as I have 2 of these. I have one over here and one over here. I've got 2, so I will be doing a future video of pairing these and testing them together, hopefully. And this is my setup, by the way, if you're just curious. Just a bit of, yeah, so there's my mic, if you're wondering. But yeah, that's that, and I'll see you in the next video.